Have you ever wondered how you can increase efficiency in lab glassware cleaning? How much time does it take to clean 60 lab glasses manually or automatically? For the manual cleaning of 60 glasses, approximately 58 minutes are required. Every action takes time and ties up valuable skilled personnel, because working at the sink is very labor-intensive, as each item has to be handled individually and cleaned. A lab washer accomplishes the same amount in just 24 minutes, completely automatically. That means a time saving of 59%. Extrapolated over a year, that saves 19.5 working days per employee. This time can be used for more important tasks, where expertise really counts. Another advantage, the lab washer provides standardized cleaning results without any post-treatment. Efficient, safe, automatic. Lab glassware cleaning with our Explore line.